Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kishween. I hope you're all doing well. And today is the first ever time that I'm gonna do my makeup in front of this camera, my full face. I'll be doing this makeup look, and this is my very basic look. You have already seen this look in many of my other videos if you have been watching me for a while. And before moving forward, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And now we'll quickly jump into the video. So I have already prepped up my face with a moisturizer, and बाल हमने कर लिए हैं पीछे ताकि वो आगे ना आए. And we'll start. First I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Prime. This is a mattifying primer for oily skin. This is a really good primer. I apply it just like this. I'll apply some here, some here, little bit here and here. Yes. और अब ढक्कन को बंद कर दें. Firstly, we spread the primer like this, and then we'll tap it. I just apply primer where I see pores, where I just want to reduce the texture. So we are done with our primer. Now it's time for foundation. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm just gonna take some at the back of my hand. I've taken this much for now. If I'll need more, I'll take more later. And we're gonna apply this in dots. Don't apply too much on the nose, like I'll just put a dot. And also don't apply too much on your forehead. Don't forget the neck, because your face shade should match with your neck shade. Yes. And now I also prefer to take some foundation for the under eyes as well. I think it gives a much better coverage. And also I feel that I don't have to use concealer that much. Now we'll just spread it with our fingers only first, like this. The reason that I don't apply too much foundation on my forehead, the forehead is usually darker than the rest of our face. So if we apply too much foundation on our forehead, तो वो जितने साइज का है ना उससे ज़्यादा बड़ा दिखेगा, and it will look very blank and dimensionless. Though you can contour and give it some dimensions, but we are not going to do contouring today. And now we are gonna take this mini soap blender and I'm gonna blend in my foundation. I've already reviewed this, you can check it out here. You always need to push your foundation into your hairline, so that अगर कोई आपका ऐसे हेयर कहीं मतलब दिस साइड आपकी कहीं से देखिए आप आते हैं, आप जो भी स्टाइलिंग करो तो वो बहुत ऑड ना लगे. The color should match. You can see the finish of this foundation. It is so good, so good. Some people really requested me to review this foundation and I am reviewing it in this video. This is a really great foundation. This was my first foundation ever and I have never turned back since then. It has never ever disappointed me. Now it's time for the concealer. I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. So this shade is exactly my shade. It is not a shade lighter or a shade darker. It is my shade. And we'll take this concealer, and what I do is I just apply it in the corners, so like this. And I'll let it just sit now like this, and we'll move on to our blemishes. Like I have this scar here, we'll cover this. we have some guests here, but we'll hide those guests for now. And now we'll blend this in, starting from the blemishes, so that this portion gets more time. You see the concealer's coverage, it's really good. So whatever the red or the brown color, the blemishes or the pimples, whatever is there, you can actually cover the color but not the texture. Okay, so if if there's a bump here like this, you can't cover the bump. The bump will still be visible like this. There's this bump, if like ये flat होता, यहाँ bump ना होता, सिर्फ अगर scar और blemish होता तो ये definitely cover होता, but जो bump है वो कभी नहीं छुप सकता. Also, don't put too much product on your bumps, because the more product you will put, the more it will be visible. Just put a little, so that the coloring or the red color of that should hide. That's it. Don't put too much. So I'll start blending like this, and I'll just bring the concealer forward. Start blending it from here and bring the concealer here. Just see, it instantly covered. Blend on the eyelid as well. So just see both of my eyes. Just see them. This one looks so much more evened out than this one, because you can see this closely. So now it's time for baking. I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution banana baking powder. Again, a really good baking powder. And baking powders don't finish quickly. They just keep on चलते ही रहते हैं. एक लो और मुझे लगता है पूरी जिंदगी का काम हो जाता है तुम्हारा उनसे. एक ही है मेरे पास, दो तो नहीं, अभी एक ही है. So I'll just take some इसके ढक्कन में like this. अरे तो विजिबल ही नहीं है. So अगर ये दिख पा रहा है तो ऐसे मैंने ले लिया है थोड़ा सा. Okay, so one thing is baking. If you don't know what baking is putting your blender in this and tapping it here and letting the powder sit there for a while before you just wipe it or brush it off. And another thing is take the powder, tap and actually blend the powder in there. So like this, and we'll just tap the powder in. ऐसे करके इसको we just literally blend the powder, and as you see, the baking powder instantly brightens up your eye. I just forgot to tell you that I don't use a brightening concealer because it becomes too much for me, so I don't use that. I just use one concealer that is my skin shade for covering my under eyes, and on top I just use this baking powder. This baking powder instantly brightens up my eye, so I really don't need a brightening concealer. We'll do the same thing here. Baking is basically done so that your foundation or your concealer doesn't creases wherever you have fine lines, wrinkles or smile lines even. Like usually on an under eye we tend to crease a lot. I'm really sorry for the background noise. There's some construction going on and I really can't help it. And then with this only I'll just powder my whole face. I'll set my makeup, just putting dots like this and blending it in. Some people will really think that powder will cake up your face, but actually it will prevent your face from caking up. So now our base is done. Now we'll move on to the eyes and brows. So first I'll do my brows. I will use this Maybelline 24K Nudes palette. I have already reviewed this. You can check it out here. And I use only this brown shade for my brows because it matches the color of my brows perfectly. So I use only this shade from this palette. Rest you can see the review. I'm gonna use this brush only, which comes with this. I just put very light strokes. If I'm not wearing makeup, I won't make my brows, because they don't look light at that point. But whenever I'm wearing, I will do, because you know, with the full face of makeup, my natural brows will look a little lighter. So I'm just filling them just to darken them, so you can just clearly see the difference here and here. I haven't made any extra line, or I haven't made any shape. I have just, you know, filled them up. I have maintained my original shape. So I really don't have a spoolie for my brows, so I will use this eyebrow brush from Miniso. It has a little comb on one side and this brush on the other side. Works perfectly well. And just like this, I will brush out my brows to tame my hair and to blend the color in. Our brows look good now. Let's move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty HD Professional eyeshadow palette. I have already reviewed this. You can check it out here. It's a really good palette, and the look that I'm gonna do today is nothing, you know, too difficult or something like that. It will be the simplest and the easiest look. I have already done this look in one of my previous videos, and someone requested me to do this look, so this one's for you. So I'm gonna take this orangey kind of shade here, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid and all over my crease. And the brush I'm using is a ProArt PE23. This is their tapered blending brush, which has become a little fluffy. So just taking this shade all over the brush, tapping out the excess, and beginning the color from the outer corner in circular motions to the inside, to the outside, all over the crease, all over the lid, not on the nose. Yeah. If you really want, you know, a detailed eye look, like an informative eye look where I tell you like how to, you know, do eye looks on hooded eyes, because I really have hooded eyes, if you can see. So if you want a detailed kind of thing, do comment down below and I will definitely do that. I'm really not going deep into the eye or deep into the techniques for hooded eyes in this, because I'm really doing a very simple look. And I'm gonna place this all over the lid, simply like this. Now we are simply gonna move towards shimmer. This is an eye look using just 2 shades or 2 colors. Simply. And we'll take this one here. It's a highly pigmented shimmer. You can see it in my review video. We're gonna use a pinky finger for this. Just like this, so that we have a good amount of shimmer. I'm gonna top it off with this one as well. Firstly we use this, and I'm gonna use this to make my eye pop more. So this is how my eye looks so far. And now I will take this flat brush. It is again from Miniso. All those brushes came in set. It is a set of I think 4-5 brushes, but really good. And I'm gonna take that same shimmer to put it on the inner corners. And now we'll do my favorite liner. This is the Rimmel London Glam Eyes Professional Liquid Liner. Looks something like this. I love this liner because it really has a thin tip for thin eyeliners. If you can closely see, the tip is so thin. So we'll just put a very thin line, just a, you know, single swipe and then a wink. हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हमारा पतले से पतला लाइनर लगे, बट अगर वो मोटा लग गया तो फिर थोड़ा मोटा ही लगाना पड़ेगा, क्या कर सकते हैं. It's really not easy for me to do liner like this holding a small mirror, so I'll just go and do my liner off camera. So I'm done with my liner. और liner आज कुछ ज़्यादा खास तो लगा है नहीं, तो you know liner has its days. कभी तो इतना अच्छा लग जाएगा कि wow you are the liner queen, और कभी तो इतना बेकार लगेगा कि आज कुछ बहुत बेकार नहीं लगा, कुछ बहुत अच्छा भी नहीं लगा, दूर से ठीक लग रहा है मेरे लिए, वही बहुत है. So we'll move on to white kajal now. This is again by Maybelline. This is their I don't know lasting drama kajal. इसका ना lasting मिट गया शायद. White kajal really makes your eye open up. Now we'll do some setting. So I have this Wet n Wild Photo Focus matte finish setting spray, and I'm gonna use this all over my face to set my things up. Pull back your hair, close your eyes, and spritz, spritz, spritz. Just stand beneath the fan so that it dries up quickly. So now we'll move on to blush. I'm in a mood for something pinky today, so I really don't have a pink blush with me, but I have this Nykaa Matte to Last in the shade 07 Dilli. Ji haan, hamari Dilli. And it is a nice pink, peachy pink shade which I really like. So I'm just gonna apply this on my cheek as a blush. And I'm just gonna blend this with my fingers, and if I need more I'll take more. ऐसे ही छोड़ देती हूँ, अच्छी लग रही है ना, ऐसे ही छोड़ देती हूँ. With these two fingers I will blend it, taking it above like this. Also, I want to tell you that I really don't do contouring because I don't feel the need to do it. I don't feel the need to chisel out my face or give it so much dimension, because I think I look pretty okay. I mean, my face has dimensions even after this. If you're applying a very high coverage foundation all over your face, then you definitely need contouring all the time, because that will just suddenly flatten your face. I usually don't put too much on my nose and forehead, so it maintains my dimension. Also, Maybelline Fit Me is a sheer to medium coverage foundation, so there's no need to use it. So if you think that you have applied so much here, or you just want to bring it down, or I've applied a little bit above here, so I just want to bring it down, I'm just gonna take this loose powder and apply it here so that the portion here lightens actually. So now let's move on to the highlighter. I simply love this highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold, and it is just stunning. It is beautiful. Let me just look at that. Can you see the glow, the highlighter glow? I just love the glow. Simply, I will just take this blending brush. I will take a little bit, very little for my brow bone. So now we are gonna move on to mascara. I have this lash color again from Miniso. I have a lot of things from Miniso because they actually work really well. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. So we have curled one lash. We'll apply mascara to the first lash first, and then curl the second, and then apply it on the second. Oh, by the way, this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. A great mascara for lengthening your lashes and making them voluminous. Can you see my lashes now? So we're done with the face and we'll move on to the last step, that is lipstick. So we'll use this Sugar Nothing Else Matter long wear lipstick in the shade 22 Bear Hug. And this is how my makeup looks like. I put on a little more blush and this is the final look. I just curled my hair, put on some accessories. So yeah, this is it. I really hope that you enjoyed this first get ready with me. I'm really looking forward to doing some makeup tutorials where I bring in some new techniques or some new eye looks, and I'm really looking forward to do this more often. Thank you so much to all of you who stayed till the end and watched this video, the whole part through it. I know it was a long video, but thank you so much if you stayed till here. Please hit that like button if you like this video and comment down below if you liked any particular part or any particular thing in this video. In case if you did, just comment down below. I would love to read your comments. All the product names with their shades, variants and prices will be in the description box below. Channel को subscribe कर दो अगर अभी भी नहीं किया तो. And you can follow me on my Instagram, that is @kishween.kaur. The link will be in the description box as well. And I will see you in my next video next week. Till then, goodbye and stay safe. Mona Lisa was lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.